cat with the help of my mother. Now let's have a look. So let's start. Now I am showing you my 3D helicopter from all the sides. Now we will discuss the different parts of the helicopter. Now you can see this. This is the cockpit. This is the landing skid. This is the main rotor. And these are the blades. And this is the tail.